Hi, TC News. Mema Ovidia Akwaba. Hadie latest and hot news in one. And I'm a Bremo. Anuti so when you subscribe ya Bomodian say over subscribe to a channel. Dobean say over click a subscribe button. Now what daily notification where there's a new video be uploaded also when a back can be. I feel we are now one like video no give us a thumbs up now feel share my first now when you be here now we earn somewhere a course to Ghana and more. It's as a hadie latest and hot news in Kwana Bremo. Afriyie buya and summer abeto ye bunso. Agyapadie buku a aye ensem bebre ponele. Political analyst bill and summer together. Na adakabre performance wa wodi djuma ewo neat affair body and summer together for one. No only political analyst be atwetwe komo for Agyapadie buku. Na what you say ono ye buku no oji book ni die papa. It's say plan will move from page 1 to page last. Sabuki Agyapadie buki now they will move from page 1 to the page last. Akufo Addo Achimafia wana implement BB na analyst the several naira and Africa. Wow, people can check the comment section ho binya book read binya link no na also download it na also will be akinkai na yesemre no yimbuwa wana kachi ekutie and some here adakabre from almost or the tuga any political analysis and some of the tuga for Agyapadie buki ekutie o
na DNT and afei and the president of the republic kan wasem Okyehene kese kan wasem Gabby kan wasem na miracles abuaje eso airton
news all time.
Kwame Jandam was this overrated
news all time,
overhyped, intolerant, cruel, insensitive, vindictive and corrupt president says that the Agyapadie book is a figment of the imagination of his political opponents, and they opted same as a propaganda political tool against his government. Interesting. Say. Well said. I say interesting. Say. Well said. But are your government, political appointees, political cronies acting the entire Agyapadie book out? It is as if the story Ghanaians are watching under your leadership was produced and directed by you, family and friends, political appointees, and political cronies. Mr. President, the Agyapadie document is not fair, and it has been in existence for over 4 years. Mr. President, you and your Achim Mafia have been exposed big time. So stop blaming the opposition for your government's failure, indiscretions, excesses, and incompetence. Currently, Ghana needs a change of leadership and government to occasion proper accountability of the stewardship of the NPP's family and friends government, the looting of state properties, the great loot and share, the open thievery and shameless corrupt acts from the presidency to the almost government appointees of Nanado and Bawumia-led administration. This Agyapadie document is not fiction, but a true script from Nanado, Bawumia, and the Achim Mafia.
Yo, Ofa, let us say, Agyapadie document, media, marginal, GDP. If you say, if you page 1, you could see the last page, almost every plan be a woman has been implemented. Of us, Obekaya, Emra Abawi Eba Bremono, Omo Putu moratorium on the small scale miners and what we term as galamsey, Omunyana. Na ekonim kakra ema nkrofo ehwase eka se baby adun dia no hye nkrofo fa no wuye and demonstrations ahoro nti before say abano oba left sa moratorium no na em say per this book no matra say awie omo hyehyɛ a omo fee say nkrofo say on be handle that sector no I affiliated to them nti so oba hwa okọ omo book no mu a omo actually say licenses ahoro the issue emma your friends small scale miners any omo na omo dis adwuma no okọ page 10 no a state last paragraph of first, second, and fourth paragraph.
You are watching
The
Juicy News on YouTube.
Licenses are
You are watching Juicy News on YouTube.
On the 1st of July, 2016. Meaning no null and void. Into se obi pese will sign a those people should come back to reapply. Which means that they had concluded in Kofor say or more use for the company or more affiliated companies. Until page 11, 12 going now. Or more listed about 332 small scale mining companies. Probably it is alleged they are aligned with them from the various regions. And the person in charge to lead this exercise, according to the book, Owura Asante too. Offer over banking cleanup sector no. They were a course, it is exactly what they have, planned in this book. Indigenous banks, fees affiliated to the opposition NDC and then other rival political parties. They decided to clear all of them so as to ensure their bank will be the banking sector that will be leading the financial sector. They have also stated clearly, NDC, the largest opposition, were not smart enough to analyze the cost involved in closing down these banks. They have not asked them for detailed document regards the amount used in closing down of the banks. And indeed, that closing down of the banks allowed them to receive resources from backdoor into their financial sector. Offer insurance. Insurance and state insurance acquire Boakye state insurance insuring Akodi enterprise insurance ensa. Offer Mensah Mechiaba forward no more offer in the sense every single item there has been implemented, and I say the plan appears to be one that it has been the most wicked plan ever to be implemented by a political party that came to, as it were, alleviate the plight of the people of the country. Interestingly enough, this document sought to alienate the Ashanti of their powers in terms of a more numerical strength. Until they planned that it was very critical to ensure, the battle or the mantle was not handed over to an Ashanti to become the flag bearer, but rather a non-Akan. And that has clearly happened. I believe the document, in total, from page 1 to the end.
Na everybody and that document, Osaka be.
From the early part, in first quarter of 2020.
First quarter of 2020, Nansakai. You are watching Juicy News on YouTube. Hot news all time. You are watching Juicy News on YouTube. Hot news all time.
But I say they will say Organia Kotena only baby or they know themselves.
Now book ya baby the way and or your author na.
Of also push me I know what they can na we say forward first page Nana Osajefo I'm watching for pen and I actually do and I say woba in front of saying after the forward report of forward Ofori Atta, simply Ofori Atta, and I actually in pen right
Ofori Atta ni actually na say DM Ofori Atta.
When you actually Ofori Atta in pen.
Just said there's one breath DM Ofori Atta, there's another breath as you are saying Ofori Atta. And to say it to me, it raises a little doubt as to the authenticity of the book. Ubebuan is saying.
Offer anybody who raised doubt about this document, now they say probably he or she hasn't gotten a copy to read. Now, so when you a copy, so I read now say or raise doubt on this book and just say on patriotic to this nation. In the sense, as a can this is a BNC, we would have no cause to have held on to this document. Indeed, offer electricity company take over or Nina was part of the phase 1. In their setbacks, regards human comparison mudi, nanke be number be do Mensah. Civil society organizations, any opposition parties, raise concern. Am up to date? Somehow they couldn't materialize. It be electricity takeover, which they took about 6 months bills from us freely, more or less. They didn't invest 1 peso, but they sought to take bills from the people of this country. More free. Unless the action as a Becca assembly, because they one put to any scabby said this is a sky idea to invest in that particular sector. Or more yes, sir. Japan LLC also, and also they were surprised, say it faced some challenges, but they concluded by saying, say, because they included some non-action people in their midst, and out of their greed and selfishness, Japan LLC was shut down by the minority, by the help of civil service societies, also more crusading minority in their power to shut down that particular deal. But this book, and as this document, I don't know. I would urge Asanteman especially to have copies to read. I will urge the Muslim community to have copies to read. I will urge the pastors, all of them, to have copies to read. So your NPP near read it, because what is happening is not say the aircourse may be affecting opposition parties in world. The whole country. And interesting of the hard drink a say, and yeah, a team for no matters no my will, a sect of action people, a sect. For instance,
the woman say, yeah. Who could our copy no?
Copy.
Okay. Electronically, 38 pages. Hard copy ne kuta na as a photocopy ya reproduce one. How many pages?
The only crowd, of course, all the about 36 Johan.
You could turn 36 and electronically there a woman phone so variously Bakuya 38 Bakon 41 in the there na same book no you could take different number of pages
no for instance the first page in our picture it doesn't have a number, so you cannot include it as a page on its own. In the page in starts so can from front and back there, and you're not the equation a version 38, but the numbers start from the last chapter of the forward.
And the Okutano, supposedly book letter, ya photocopy, and you abandon it together. Yes. Who has the original book now? Ubenya color photo of Osaje from working for a penny now. Green, yellow, no idea him woman.
I know there was soft copy. No?
But who has the because the Akuta and I said desktop publication be and the photocopy the so I'm asking, do you know say Obikuta hard copy away don't the photo in black and white our hidden that one more green and yellowy at them way.
Patron of that may no soft copy and I'm a print free www.awakenewsroom.com. And me hear copy. Now we started to study the authenticity of that particular document. Now I have faced hostilities from that point on many platforms until recent times. And Sana Adewe Ebedu Babia Eduno. Yes, people.
A dear man pana a Agyapadie numua would be kind your first quarter of 2020. And Sana subsequently at the chrono air BBC.
Offer make about the judiciary. And then I also mentioned about the gold value chain. At the time gold catches be a buyer or mampani about 100 of gold catches at the buyer. I looked at the distribution aspect of it and where they went and which people received them. Of course, I cannot mention all the people who received them. But then, Ocean Ofori distributors are gold catches. YMBC who say who are those people? Who are those people, and who are behind those small-scale mining entities, right? And these are areas, and especially when His Excellency the former President John Dramani Mahama Beka say, "Obe balance the judiciary, no." Hona a train margin about the perceived puffed up of the judicial system.
Na first quarter of 2020, ya unsaka a copy of the supposed Agyapadie book, no. Ukinkan say at the time, no, 10 crying Director General of Senate, none deputies, Kofi Bosompem, and one another. Na years to come, ye bepe say Kofi Bosompem ebe call into the Director Generalship of the Senate. Now what to me automatically secure a seat on the board of EcoBank. Now at Myanmar, because of that, there be a seat on the board of Senate. Let me get it right. A bit technical. Say Kofi Bosompem, ye be ye 10 crying. Na ye de Kofi Bosompem aba. Na Kofi Bosompem waba aba benya the opportunity. Ama ye diversity Senate hotels, you know. Na ye wan harien. Na ye kwa kofa sankuma yire ama ono so EcoBank. Na wo matimi anya board omo mienu no atimi anya seat on the board of EcoBank. Booking cars are they were in 2020.
Offer making can, but when I started platforms around because not omo me making car. And one say according to predictions into especially the latest with Owura Kofi Bosompem no making kind but nipa no plan minim no menim ne sunu ne ba say Owura Safuma for babisi. Until I have read it, but I had no research who this person is until said
up to 1.44 no. Economic and financial sector control.
Yes.
Now economic and financial center control no. Do you recall a dear no mokafa Dr. Apakusi Indom a dear no mokafa Dr. Kwabena Agyapong.
Offer Dr. Papakwesi Indom. Say say about financial sector no dia now can already an impact in terms of coverage in this country. And me myself, 2014, I used to work with First Africa Savings and Loans. My gift that's a company and I said a bank. A little bit of insight regards or more operations. Now, Papa Kosindum, quite now fast of air train. It had become a threat to allegedly our former finance minister. And say Obekai Random Edene Enrichia within the paper better about said this is the letter that went to cabinet. It was shut down, and later on for some reasons will be it to me a general no so a new group of people. They collapsed the bank now. Dr. Papakwesi Indom was a threat, and he was a political rival to this incumbent and of course other political parties. Into seeing how he was expanding, it was necessary to say now more such expansion within the local banking system. So that the alleged data bank could rise above all these financial institutions. Into there was a deliberate plan to oust him from the financial sector. And anybody who was also close, which is Owura Dufo also, another person I know also did into my banking sector. Now my contact on the bank maybe. Until I knew a little bit of them, and like I said, national financial sector. Until I knew a little bit of all these people. Until because their political affiliation were not aligned with the current administration, it was necessary that they found ways and means to get rid of them. So that they could, wield the numeric, how do you call it, the financial power to be able to control all these areas. Until or two, no, they are not.
Na babontin say baseya what would you say me evil plan no me tro ye said de meye na babontin no now wo say nipa no we here to have your head examined. This is coming from Gabriel Nanayaw Isari watch the Dako.
Odi Nanayaw so and my namesake, but I call out Francis Kakra. But you know, and to me, I'm to us on December 20. Offer, I'm happy to use the word evil plan. And indeed, this document is in
what's your part now? Almost your fast, Sammy Ukono.
My share offer now.
Auntie just one because I bet me at Nasia plan is say, Sammy Ukudo or Pema, into bit me the ma a yenash form. I'm say, why, for what purpose? What a almost your far, John Boadu, said Jammy, John Boadu dear, or ye a pure man, and into no audience, a be free. The Omo Kamfa Kojo Kyeremanteng. That man must have personalities. One more with that same group. She the Omo Kamfa Kennedy Agyapong. So, how would they plan so one crop for say no matter
offer Ekuobia even Abusium Kran, your Hofwa or Muhu Ehu. If you look at the caliber of Sammy Oku, may I advocate as Sammy Oku should file to for the flag bearership. And cannot make BCC or party and easy cry. Sammy Oku is a shining star. Everybody knows. Both opposition and incumbent likes him, the youth especially. You can't beat that fact. Sammy Oku and others, I don't want to speak for them, but my instinct tells me that they have been very clever in managing this document to stay afloat. Said okay, you are not aligned to the next course, right? There are some of them who are just being strategic and diplomatic in being with this incumbent. Deep down their hearts, they know what is happening. Everything that has been said about those individuals, I am in personal ones, over, tell me which one has not happened and which one is not true. Probably Sammy who has been very clever. What about the Rollins factor? Am I a move BCC say Rollins, how could he have died so early? The Rollins factor, I don't want to go there, but if you read it, it's damning. And they did it the way they did it. Who would have thought that His Excellency Nana Akufo Addo, who was Attorney General then, Rollins now, we perceive say or to the extent that he, as an Attorney General, has time to be corrected and revoking privileges at a point in time. Now, this same man comes back to power. And then the Rollins' family becomes so close to one of their worst and our sworn enemy in politics. How do you understand this whole thing? To the point that the Rollins factor were against their own party that they formed. Also, let us be truthful and candid with facts, right? And your friend is down. Rollins we need to examine and scrutinize it. Because baby I do not.
I just omutimi a seeming rivalry between Oladmochre and Chairman General Kwame Sefakai, describing Chairman General as a calm, cool, and collected person who would always want to wait for the right time to strike, as opposed to a Apostle Paul Admochre or no aggressive and appear to poo-poo any suggestions. You better some grammar, Chairman General Edin Abemobi. For what purpose were they writing this?
They have studied the demeanors of all the your friends, the larger population of the media, especially those we describe as senior journalists. The description of Kwame Sefakai, is it not accurate? Is it not right that he's cool, calm, and collected? What he does behind the scenes is not my business. The description of Paul Addo, is it not accurate? Is it not exactly who he is now? Because you see, Paul Addo, in my opinion, has made journalism some sort of comic relief for people.
We want to talk about. They were describing them as such, drawing knowledge on Omumienu Enka. For what purpose?
Yes.
For what purpose?
Fine. So, in America, so they have studied the individuals who we describe as senior journalists. Also, in every spectrum of life, if it comes to the entertainment industry, whatever, gospel musicians will be on a rival and they have their beefs here and there. And sir, Kwame Sefakai, and I think I stand to be corrected, most of the journalists Radio Gold and a mother a year or more a firm and into be any be a strength. How far this person can go and that. Even as we speak, we have top journalists who are enemy to their top journalists because of probably the way either they are rising or some of the things they do behind closed doors.
Yeah, you know, this president of the republic is a fake propaganda. Semuna over the years, ya can't find ama ne yere kura no dono Ellen and cancer Jamina 30 years ago. I was free mo in July 30 years ago. No, still and Crawford can say on the coon no Nina ya asama yaka at the etoro so near the in the same vein. Anna Agyapadie so no the opponents and this if we the secret Sammy Gyamfi home and now all my church we the tiano.
Of acrophobia no why actually now within that very moment no I admit to say men are very unless you use some force either they call something minimal force or the other way around until say Ghana for the door back in can document we His Excellency another Danko Akufo Addo's opinion
can say near the day
to understand what has happened to the economy.
Quite unfortunate. Owusu Uriah Sanetano.
You will take away and some year political analyst editor in a fire Agyapadie Boakye and Samira. Now, 1 year and a career from Pomaso and a trip como FIS Agyapadie Boakye. A year from page 1 to a year page. Last, to say a summer woman, a year and Samira, which is a summer woman. A chimafia for one implementing BR was a bookie. Well, a copy of book we are downloading. Check the comment section. Hold on. The whole link now. So what download because to see me so and now no. So we are subscribe. We have a model say over subscribe no like it. Now feel so what share video no. It's answer happy latest and hot news and I'm the Remo. Also getting actually working on fire and some week now. I will comment boxing. Interview in my next video.
Thanks for watching. Like and share the video. You can also drop your comment. Please don't forget to subscribe. Click on the bell to turn on the notification.